Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this eyeshadow palette that I got from my local Dollar Tree. With that being said, let's get started. This is the first time I see this eyeshadow palette at my local Dollar Tree, and it does state that it's new. Make Me Up is the brand. It's an eyeshadow palette. Colors look very pretty and some are shimmery. Let's open this up. The packaging is cute. It's very lightweight. So, I don't know if I should even say this. Okay, I'm gonna say it. So, this reminds me of a needle holder. So if you sew, or if you've seen somebody that sews or whatnot, they usually have something like this that once you like rotate it to the side, it opens like a little wedge like this, and the needle comes out. So, I don't even know how to open this. I think you're supposed to rotate it. Look, I want to show you guys. It literally looks like a needle holder. Oh, I'm gonna break it. Slide it. You're supposed to slide it. So this is very flimsy. It came off. Another. So the shimmer ones are not showing the shimmer here apart from the green one. Final rating, out of 5, I give this palette a 2. I think it's really cute. This reminds me like the needle thing that I told you guys. The colors are very cute, but the shimmer does not transfer apart from this one. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.